Here's another question. The average age of 30 constable is 9 years. If the age of the commander is added, then it becomes 10 years. The age of the commander in years is, we are given 4 options. What is the age of the commander? Is the commander 27 years old? Is the commander 31 years old? Is the commander 35 years old? Or is the commander 40 years old? The first part of the question is telling us that there are 30 constable and the average age of those 30 constable is 9 years. The next part of the question is telling us that the commander, the age of the commander is added, meaning there will be 31 individual. Remember, if there are 30 constable, then if the commander is added, then the number of individuals also increase, that is to 31, and the average age also increases from 9 years to 10 years. As you can see, if the age of the commander is added, then it becomes 10 years. And the next part of the question is asking us for the age of the commander. So is the commander like 27 years old? Is the commander 31? Is the commander 35? Or is the commander 40 years old? Let's actually look at the formula to solve this question. We have formula for the average age, that is average age equal to total age divided by number of people. And looking at the question, we can plot in the value. What we have here is the average age and also the number of people. What we don't have is the total age. So what we need to do is actually find the total age. So if we do the calculation, average age times number of people, we get the total age, which is 9 times 30 constable. We get 270, which is the total age. And we have to solve for the next part of the question, which is average age, that is increases to 10 years. Looking at the question, remember, which is 10 years. And also the number of people also increased, because the next part of the question is telling us that we add the commander and that will equal to 31 individual or people. So if we multiply 10 times 31, we'll get 310. That will be our total age, minus the total age of the first part of the question and the second part of the question in order to get the age of the commander. So 310 minus 270, we get 40. So that will be the age of the commander, which in our case will be option D. So this is actually how you get the average age of the commander. If you come across this type of question, just remember to use this formula. If we need to find the average age, or we need to find the number of people, or in general the total age, we can actually apply this formula, do the cross multiplication or division, whatever the question is asking, plot in the values, and we will have our final result. So this is it for the video. I hope you learned something, and if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and like and share. Thank you very much.